Hey everyone, RC Crawler Matters here. Just wanted to do a review on these d90 MNs. They're a pretty decent little truck. I mean, not too bad. They nice body on them. It's a new truck. MN-D90. Put some different tires on there. The other ones were just way too hard for crawling. I haven't tried it on a course yet, just done the little thing in the house here. I have pillows on, crossed over. Yeah, it's pretty decent body. I mean, it's neat that they have the hood that pops up like that, where your batteries are. It's pretty difficult to get out sometimes. Batteries in there and stuff. But I mean, like really WPO on them, man. I mean, 400 amps hour. Like, come on, you guys can do better than that. I know you can. But I mean, for a smaller battery, besides that, a pretty decent little truck, I'll probably end up putting a bigger battery in here. With my niece's truck. So she wants it purple and pink. So I'll be doing that up for her. And I'll show you guys a review and, like, look at this thing. Like, really? What is this? Like, no steering adjustment or anything. You know, steering adjustments right there, under it, right there. Like, really? Like, they could have way better than that. But I mean, they did pretty good on the body, and it's got a nice little dash and seats and stuff in there. That's pretty cool. And apparently it's got a top that you can get that has, makes it into like a little pickup box. But I put these tires on there because they're so soft. I mean, it's a good flex for not bad for $90 in Canadian. I don't know what that'd be in American, but I'm in Canada, so it's around $90 for one of these in Canada. MND90, guys. I'll be doing some upgrades on it. Definitely gonna have to upgrade this servo thing here. Like, this servo is just crap. Like, it doesn't even really turn the wheel over that good. Like, it's just like crap. Servo in there. I'll have to change the servo with another one I could probably put in there. I'll have to get a new remote and receiver and stuff for it to make it a little better. And also, update on the WPL MN hybrid build. I got my links today. I'll be putting the axles back on that. And this will be running now. Got his links ready to go. Just gonna throw them on there, and I'll do a crawl video with this thing. It's getting there. Gotta find something to put over that antenna. It's gonna get dirty. And yeah, this will be crawling. I'll have to figure out where to put that battery, hide it somewhere inside the cab or something for now. But there's that. And I also got my extensions for the HB to make the wheels stick out more so it crawls better. And I got its new ESC speed controller And the M&M also comes with a bag of, you know, mirrors and lights and window wipers. So it comes with that, all your lights and everything. I recommend you guys get one of these to upgrade your mounts and maybe your servo in here. Because servos are very good in here, obviously. It doesn't even turn it really when it's on the ground. It's not even really making it go anywhere. So I'll just upgrade the servo here and see how the other servo works. And I'll do a crawl when I get this thing going for my niece, and we're gonna do a video of us crawling. So yeah, there's updates, and I'll put those extensions on the HBs and do a video of it and see, you guys can see how much it widens it and makes it crawl better, I've heard. So I'm gonna try it. So we'll give you an update on the WPLN hybrid here when I get the links on and it'll back together and get it crawling, and I'll just do a little bit of crawling inside the house here or something for you and show you how it works. I've upgraded a bunch of things on it, and ECE and servo and all that stuff. So it's gonna be a pretty crazy little crawler, and you guys, hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be sweet. So thanks for watching at RC Crawl Madness. Have a nice day, you guys.